In this video, I will show you how to insert right arrow in Word document. If you are a beginner and you want to learn to insert the right arrow, what you need to do is you need to click on the insert, and then on the right side you will see there is a equation. You need to click on the equation, and here you will see a type equation box. You need to type backslash and right arrow and click the space bar, and here you can see that the right arrow is inserted. And if you want to make it on the right side of the Word document, what you need to do is you need to click on this drop down menu, go to the justification and click on the right, and here you can see that right arrow is on the right side of the page. And if you want to place on the left side, you need to click on the left side, and if you want to paste on center, you need to click on center. And you can also make it bigger by clicking the increase the font size to 72. So in this way you can easily insert the right arrow in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.